Moving on now, the Union Minister for Urban Development Venkaiah Naidu is in the city and inspected the metro works at Sampige Road. The minister also took a ride in the metro and spoke to the officials. He asked the officials to finish the work on the metro as soon as possible and also said that he will send officials from the central government to help out the state government with the garbage crisis. The Union Minister held a meeting with the Chief Minister, who requested funding of 26 crore rupees for the metro's second phase from the centre. The Urban Development Minister has given a favourable response to the Chief Minister's request. Well, Venkaiah Naidu, the Union Urban Development Minister, who is also a Rajya Sabha MP from Karnataka, today came to Bengaluru and personally interacted with the officials of the metro regarding how the metro functions. Let's not forget that the inordinate delay as far as Namma Metro commissioning has been a major issue for Bengalurians, who are waiting and putting up with all the inconveniences of the metro construction and waiting for the metro to chug. But only bits and pieces have chugged so far, and the entire connectivity could well take several years from now. The Chief Minister is said to have sought a funding of 26 crore rupees from the centre for the remainder of the metro construction. Also, the garbage crisis is said to have come up in the talks with Venkaiah Naidu, stating that the centre will be aiding the state as far as the garbage crisis is concerned.
Thank you so much, sir.
Well, Venkaiah Naidu met with the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah today. Let's not forget that he is one of the most senior leaders within the BJP and is also an MP from Karnataka. When he was made the Urban Development Minister, Bengaluru looked at him hopefully for solving the numerous infrastructure issues that the Silicon City faces. And today, in a personal visit to Bengaluru, Venkaiah Naidu took a train ride in Namma Metro, interacted with the officials and also promised funding for the rest of the construction.
Thank you so much, sir.